bandwidth is really good though.
Yeah.
You're peaking at what, 55, 60 hertz or so?
It's super high.
Yeah, until you fine tune your dial in your port, definitely.
Oh yeah.
Yes, sir.
Want to roll that window down?
Sure. Shop everything audio at bigjeffaudio.com. Links in the description. Thanks for watching and enjoy the video.
Records are gonna try.
Tell me your name and what's in here real quick.
Kyle Crafts. I got 6 Scar VXF 15s and a 2 to 1 fourth order. I don't have a port in yet, so it's kind of just a sealed box at the moment.
Okay.
On 2 Scar 4500s on 160 of Yinglong.
Awesome.
On a stock alt still. But,
did you build this?
Yeah.
Very nice. So you're still going to fine tune your front end loading wall on it? Okay.
Yep. Yeah, I drove all the way down from Wisconsin. So.
Wisconsin, okay.
Yeah.
Wow. Awesome.
I used to live here. I had the Malibu with the 30K in the trunk.
I remember. Yep. Are the subs new, breaking in, or?
Yeah, they're all, I just put it together like 2 weeks ago.
2 weeks ago, okay,
yeah,
awesome.
So.
What's going on, everyone? This is JacobViral. I hope you enjoyed the quick little walk around we got of Kyle's system. We're going to be getting a 4-song bass demo. That's right. I don't normally get 4 songs. Today we're going to get to see a lot of different variety of music he plays. I got some good outside and inside flex for y'all. So go ahead and give him a like if you haven't already, as well as comment. Let him know some positive things you like about his system. He did say it was a work in progress. He didn't get the loading wall completely tuned, but we are here for the show, and we're going to be able to show y'all how it sounds. This was at the Made of Steel show in 2021 around Tampa, Florida area. Really powerful amplifiers. I'm pretty sure he has these ran at 0.7 ohm each. They're the 4500s. I didn't see if they were strapped or gain matched, but most likely gain matched at 0.7 each. That's how he usually likes to run his amplifiers. And if you didn't notice, the front baffle, what I was talking about, is not on. So normally this would have a 4th order enclosure with roundovers on the loading wall to where there would be a front port and a sealed box. But right now it's pretty much just a big sealed box with 6 15-inch Scar 15-inch subs. They are rated at 1500 watts RMS, so probably a little underpowered, running 3 per amplifier. But he got the job done for the show and he made it out. Him having these subwoofers inverted, given a larger sealed section enclosure, so there's probably 3 common chambers for each sub on the left and right side of this box. And it really did get down into the mid 20 hertz range, even without that loading wall you're going to see on that 3rd song he plays. So anyway, we're getting to the 4-song bass demo now, as promised. If you haven't already, consider subscribing for car audio videos coming your way every day, and stay tuned for more by subscribing with the notification bell on. Enjoy. I remember. Yep. Your bandwidth is really good though.
Yeah.
You're peaking at what, 55, 60 hertz or so?
Super high.
Yeah, until you fine tune your dial and your port, definitely.
Oh yeah.
Yes, sir.
Want to roll that window down?
Sure.
Go ahead and,
Oh yeah, manual. The way it is. If you have bass head problems, easy fix.
I'll be 27.
Okay. Are the subs new, breaking in, or?
Yeah, they're all, I just put it together like 2 weeks ago.
2 weeks ago, okay,
Yeah,
awesome.
so-
Thank you, man, nice to meet you. What was your name again?
Kyle Craft.
All right, Kyle, you have a good day.
Yeah, you too.
From Wisconsin, okay.
Yep.
Awesome. Stay cool. Shop everything audio at bigjeffaudio.com. Links in the description. Thanks for watching.